foam. Base Hates Melissa from Sincerely Creative Mom, one of the creative coaches inside the creative coaching group. I'm just going to glue the bottom. And as you see, I've used this piece of felt for a very long time. So we're going to start with this. I'm just going to cut this off here, and then we'll go around the edges and make that a little bit more permanent. Let's go ahead and add in the corners. Okay, easy breezy. Then we're going to be adding some ribbon to the outside. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this off so I can get this out of the way. I'm just going to go ahead and add this piece first so that I don't have to do that. Plus it'll give us a nice little layered look here. I think it'll be really cute. And we're going to put that part down at the bottom. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to fold that in because those little points are pokey. I'm going to bring that right down to the bottom. Use my poker here. And we're going to go as quickly as we can to pull that around. Then I'm going to go in on this edge, add this in. I love that. Don't hate me for this. I don't have a flocked garland to add to that. So what I've been doing is I've been taking pieces off of this pine, $9 pine wreath base, and I've been doing the same thing for all of my pieces the last couple days. I'm just tearing this off, and by doing this, it helps me cover up the foam so I don't see it. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to snip off here and add my, right where that was, I'm going to add my little pick and turn this into our own little pick instead of an ornament. Perfection, just like that. Let's let that cool. If you look at this piece, although it was inexpensive and great, so great, love. If you look at it, this is a little bit darker. And so I was like, oh man, I didn't really want it to go in there. I want it all to be real light. So I was like, oh, let's just lighten it up a little bit ourselves by adding our other piece, right? And so I'm just going to add that in. Super duper cute, if you ask me. Personally, love. Just like that. On the side, and I'm going to put it right in the back. Where's the back? This will help me also remember where the back is. Nice globby of glue back there. Coming back to us. Right in the back. Perfect. And then while I'm back there, I'm going to take some of these pieces since that glue is hot, so I can get it right in where I want them to, and put this right in there. All right. So fun. I'm going to put this right in front of our piece that we have going on right now. Go right in front there. So I'm working from the back to the front, pushing it down to where I feel like I like the length that sticks out from the top here. We have some candy. We have a nice big sprinkle, poinsettia, which I think, well, it's hard to tell with this being so long, so let's just go ahead and cut it at first, which I think I'm going to put right up here at the top. This right down here. And then the other big things we have are the ornaments, dropping things all over the place. We're going to start working like a little bit more in front of the halfway point because I need to start balancing that there. I think that's good. I'm going to get my snowflake in on the front side, front corner. Okay, so we're building. Cute. Darling. Can't forget about the disco balls, or my child will think I didn't hear her. So good. So cute. Yes, yes. Adorable. Okay. What about some curly cues? Okay. I'm going to go down right in here also. And you know what I'm going to do this time? I'm going to get it down in there so I don't burn my little fingers. And then I'm going to add some glue with my glue gun. Darling. So stinking cute. And then I had some of those, oopsie, I had some of those disco balls in there. And so let me go ahead and bring in some of this pink ficus to kind of balance those disco balls. The disco balls are a little bit brighter. And so let's go ahead and see if we can get some of this in as a bright filler. Darling, darling, darling. Okay. And then our bottom needs some a little bit love. So our bottom brought in some red. Our bottom brought in some red. So I don't want to leave red out of this here. We'll end up with two spots to be tall. Holy moly. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little, oh no, maybe I don't need to put a zip tie over. Big over here. Okay. So it's nice and tall. Oh, just cut it so it can't be too tall. Good. Love, love. What are you thinking so far? I think it's cute. Remember, it's for my daughter. Her room, we're getting ready to transition over. Oh man. So that last one, I do have another one of these that we are going to pull apart, but that last one I'm going to kind of start sticking right through here. Right here in the back. Love how it turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. So cute with that red in there, bringing the red up. I did have ribbon. Well, let's just see what it looks like in the front. Should have done this a long time ago if I was planning on adding it. I should have done it a long time ago, but let's just see. Let's just see how we turn out here. It's gonna be pretty little. Let's just see. Let's just see. Let's just see. The top is so light. Let's bring a little darkness to the, or no, not darkness. Let's bring a little darker color to the bottom as a weight. If you're going to add a bow, you may as well plan it in the beginning, right? So that you're not putting things in the way, so you're not trying to find a spot for your bow, so that you have a bow, as you know, it's there in the beginning and you're good to go. And You know, you're not taking up the money, you know, that you might be covering up once you decide to add a bow, like for right now. If I'm going to put this in there, I didn't have to put all those pieces. I probably didn't have to put this piece for sure. We'll see if we can work around it. Ah, well, I'm glad you're happy to see me. I'm happy to see you as well. And then I'm going to use my U-pin to get it in there. Without burning me. Without burning myself. I think we can. Hope that went in the inside. It did. It did. Oh, no, it didn't. It's fine. It's right in front. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Super, super cute, super fun. Lots, all the colors, disco balls, the ornaments, the donuts, all of it. I love it. It's just darling. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are all in the creative coaching workshop that's happening this weekend. It's going on right now. The coaches, except for me, I'm still a coach, I'm just not there, are over in the warehouse working hard for you. Lots of fun things. I hope that you've enjoyed this very much. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can zoom you out here. There we go. Cute. Super duper cute. The back looks good. The sides look good. I got the shiny. I got all the things. It's adorable. Hope you had a great time, and I will see you again super soon. Bye, y'all.